Hey everyone, this is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today recreating a preset for DIVA, and it's called Duophonia, and it sounds like this without sidechain. It has the sound of a bass and a lead at the same time, and you can get this preset over here in the description below in the Melodic Techno Trends Volume 2 available at Production Music Live. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's listen to it a little bit in context as well while looking at the MIDI. Pretty cool sound, right? Now let's get to the tutorial and let's get started with it. So we're gonna initialize DIVA over here, as you can listen. As it's important to put this transpose to 0 and the mode to duo. Now we're gonna select 6 voices and a stack of 2. But we're gonna open up this sound a little bit by making it wider. How? We're gonna pick the stack index and put it all the way up. Can you see the difference before? Can you see how it opened? Is it up? Really cool, right? But now let's get started by selecting a duo VCO. 16 over here. Both are gonna be saw waves, and the second one we're gonna detune it just a tiny bit. And we're gonna select the ideal shape. The mix is going to go a little bit more to the left. So essentially we listen to a little bit more VCO1 than VCO2. But that's essentially it, and let's get down to the mixer. So we're gonna select a high pass post and set it to 3. If you want more bassline, you just set it to 0. Let's skip the filter for a moment and let's go down to the envelope and let's select a digital envelope. 150, 120. That's pretty much how it is, and it's just gonna remain as it is. But we're gonna select now a filter byte. A bit more cutoff. But a bit more of keyboard tracking as well. So essentially higher notes are gonna have more open cutoff. In addition, the peak is gonna remain at 0 and everything over here is gonna remain as it is. We're not going to do anything to envelope 2, and that's pretty much it. But now, in addition, we're going to choose a little bit of vibrato, and I'm going to raise it a lot just so you can listen. We're going to set this to 6, but just so you can listen to the effect that it creates. We can't hear anything because in the LFO1, the depth mod is all the way up. We need to put this all the way down for us to hear anything. We're going to select a 1/8 with a random glide and random start. Can you hear the effect of the vibrato? Now we're gonna pick this rate and put it a bit down as well. So this essentially changes the rate that we've selected over here in the sync. But now we're gonna put this vibrato a lot down, as we said. That was just so you can listen to it, but this is still pretty loud. What we're gonna do over here is pick this envelope 1 VCA and put it a bit down. In the video, you're not gonna hear much difference because I'm gonna balance this out afterwards, but just so you can understand that this is going to make your sound a little bit quieter as well. In addition, we're gonna have to go over here in the modifications. We're gonna select the filter FM and we're gonna select LFO2. We're gonna put this a lot up. Can you see how, since the depth mod is all the way down, we already hear some of it? But we're gonna put this depth mod a little bit up, actually. so we can hear it, but it's gonna be activated mainly with the mod wheel. When we put the mod wheel down, we don't hear much of it. We're gonna select a saw up and a gate start, and also at 1/4. Mod wheel down. And now, just to finish this, we're just gonna put the output a little bit down. Turn the EQ on and the sidechain on. I hope you like this preset, and if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Leo Lauretti from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Cheers.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.